Participation.
Come on in, everyone. Move all the way down your row and store any loose articles securely beneath your seat. Once seated, please make sure your lap is free of any obstructions before buckling your seatbelt, which fastens from right to left.
All right, Mason, you're ready for this. You're ready for this.
All right, everyone, here we go. It's time to put on your 3D racing goggles. Almost there.
It's gonna be fun.
A few more seconds.
Guys, everybody in row one, make sure you're buckling in your seatbelts, guys. Seatbelts. Make sure everyone's seatbelts are buckled in.
Any moment now.
Arms up.
Hands up.
Row two, arms up.
This is like the worst time for my friends to call me.
I know. Last time we went drive, they were like, "You need to close the line. You have to wait." Because like they
Mic
were
check.
like 20 minutes
Mic
after
check.
and then they actually.
Once again, Jimmy Fallon!
Hey, it is time for the race through New York. You know the course, you know the rules. First one back wins the Tonight Show Cup. Higgins, can you count us down, please?
Ready, set, go!
Tight pants, tightest in all the land. Hashtag, show me your moves. That hole was already there. New York City, the lights, the sound, the traffic. Is he talking to me? Is he talking to me? Here we go, Times Square. I think I know my way around Times Square, no problem. Oh, come on, hey, no fair.
You're winning! The audience takes the early lead!
First place feels so good. Don't cut time. Pardon me, come through, everybody. Hey, it's the red time down. Oh, it's on now.
Jimmy's in the lead! Ow, you almost ran over my puppet!
God, what took you so long?
Cool car! Are you guys superheroes?
No, but we do fly. Tonight, Ryder, engage flight mode.
Catch you on the flippity flop!
Can't beat New York City pizza. Here's Try Slide. It's a pizza pie. What else is good in 3D? Oh yeah, t-shirt cannons. One for you, and one for you, and one for you. Hey, these t-shirts look cool. We should sell these. Quick, hurry up! Stay in school, kids. Get it? School of fifth. Sure! Start spreading the news. I'm winning the race. Fireworks.
It's a tight race as we head toward the world-renowned Empire State Building.
Hey, there's hashtag the calendar. Hashtag where are we at the Empire State Building? And why are you 300 feet tall? No, hashtag let them go. No, Dad Panda. Oh, hey, it's the Roots, the first band on the moon. Sweet gig. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? Thank you, the moon, for turning regular old dirt into moon dust.
Autobahn! The space train!
Space train, I've heard about this ride.
Once completed, it will be the first ever roller coaster from the moon to the Earth.
Wait, once completed. Activate hypertube! Hey, it worked! I've never tried that before, actually. So good! So fun! Listen to your voice in the tube! First place is awesome!
It's neck and neck as the race is approaching the finish line.
Oh, so close! Hey, that's too close! I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. Congratulations, guys. You did it! You know I like you. Well, that was so much fun. Come back and race me anytime. Have a great day, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Is it hot in here? It's hot, right? Can we do that one more time? That was fun.
That's a wrap, everybody. Please be sure to check your seat for any loose items and make your way to the exit door on the right. Already doing such a great honor. Mic check. Mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello? Hello? Come on in, everyone. Move all the way down your row and store any loose articles securely beneath your seat.